Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today on my YouTube channel I'll be showing you how to make a self-grading quiz on Google Classroom. So please, if you're new on this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let's start. First of all, you have to go to your Google Classroom. Okay, I'm right here. googleclassroom.com. And this is a class I made for this tutorial, 4th grade mathematics. I'm going to click on that. And now to make a self-grading quiz, the first thing you have to do is to go to classwork. Under classwork, you will see right here, create. And now you go to quiz assignment under create. Select that. And now that you're in the quiz assignment, you're going to see this blank quiz right here, Google Forms. You just have to click on that and then it will take you to a new tab where you can create the quiz. The quiz also has different type of answers form. You can put multiple choice, you can put short answer, just right here, multiple choice, paragraph, short answer, drop down, check boxes, multiple choice grid, tick box grid. So that is that. And now that we are on this page, you can just start by changing the name of your question, of your quiz. You can say the topic of this is going to be my channel. You see your choice, you put what you think is good, is going to be good for your quiz. And now my channel, I can start the description right here and say this quiz is going to be fun. And that's it right here. And now let's start. Now this is a question right here. You can add a question with this. Here's to import questions. Here's to add the title and description. Here's to add an image. Here's to add a video. While here's to add a section. This section is just like, let me say a student finish a particular section of multiple choice, you can take them to another section of short answers. So let's start creating our question. So for this tutorial, I cannot say my first question should be something like, what is the name of my YouTube channel? And now this is the question, and you put a question mark. Now I cannot put option 1. I can put John's channel. I can put option 2. You go here to another option, put Mike's channel. I hope you know the answer. And now, well, the second, I can also add an option 3 here. Then put Kevin's channel. And make sure you do this so the student cannot skip this question. You must turn this on for the students to be able to answer this question, because some students can skip the question and go and click submit. But when you turn this on, the student cannot skip this question. They must answer it before they can click on the submit icon. So now, to put your answer, to make the computer self-grade this question, we just come right here, answer key. And now you are the one to click on the answer for the computer to know which one is the correct answer. And I click on the answer, Mike's channel. And now here control the total points. I can put this question 5 points. Done. And now, as I said, this place is to add another question. So you just come right here, it's another question. You can see that. And this Google form, this quiz, it also makes it easy for teachers because there's some questions that we just type and sometimes the answer will just come out from there. So let me give you a question like that. You can just ask the students, who is the current WWE heavyweight champ? The current WWE heavyweight champ. And see right here, it shows right here suggested answer Drew McIntyre, and that is the correct answer. So it just makes it easy for teachers. So now if I click on this, you can see that the computer has already given me an option like that and has marked it as a correct answer. So there's no point for you going here and selecting your correct answer. So now I can just add other options. Add an option. I can just say Roman Reigns. Add another option again through here, St. Rollins. And see when I go here to pick my correct answer, you see that the computer has already picked the correct answer for me since I just click on that. So my main aim of coming here right now is just to put how many points the question holds, and the question holds, I can say 5 points, and I'll click on done. And that's it. And to make sure the student cannot skip this question, I must turn this on, required. And let me take you around. This right here is to delete a question, this trash can. While here is to duplicate the question. Let me say you see one another question like this, you can just duplicate that. And you see there are 2 questions like this already, but I can just delete that through here. And that's it. Let me take you around this place. This palette, this guy over here is to change the theme. I can put the theme as orange. I can also pick an image through here. You can pick an image from your computer or from Google. So now right here is to pick an image from your computer, upload. But here is to pick an image from Google. So this is the image that Google has given you already. So I just go right here. I like this. I'll just pick it and make sure I click on insert. And now that is done, the image will just appear right here. You can see the image has appeared here. And now let me show you something. Since I set this question as 5 points, the total points here is going to be 10 points. And now this right here is for the responses. Let me say a student has answered the question, the responses is going to change. Let me say like 5 students answered the question. You see here 5 responses instead of 0 responses. So while here is the settings. You can set it. You have different types of settings. You can set the presentation, the quizzes. You can set it in any way you want. This right here is to tell you if you want to mark the quiz, if you want the computer to mark the quiz immediately after submission, I can turn that off and put later after manual review. After I've reviewed it, the computer can mark it, but I can just turn that on immediately after submission so I can see that their scores. Just save that. While here is to preview it. I'm going to preview it as a student right here. I can go answer the question and it's going to change the responses. I can select this one, Mike's channel. Select this, Drew McIntyre, and select submit. And now asking for my email address, but you can also change that. If you don't use it, it asks for the email address. You can just come here, go to settings. You remove this collect email address. You can see right here, I've removed it, and I can go to save. And now I go back to preview. Let's click on this, Mike's channel, Drew McIntyre, and select submit. You can see right here, so now the computer has just finished marking it, so the student can just view the score. Wow, I got 10 over 10. Wow, that is really impressive of me. See, 10 over 10. I got each question correct. So let's go back to the question. It's going to show here one responses, and that's me that just answered my question. So this is me, and here it's going to give you the summary of the question, show you the options that students pick most. It shows the option that students pick most is like the summary of the question. Students pick Joe McIntyre most, they pick Mike Chaney most as an option. So that's it. And now right here, you can also print the question. You can make a copy of this question. You can delete this question. That's a choice. Now I can just send the question right here. You click on send. Now you can send it through email. You can send it through email. You can also send it through a link. You can copy the link and paste it somewhere, maybe on Google Classroom or any means of communication that you have with your students. You can also go right here, and this link is to post it on your website. Same so you have a website, you can just post the link on your website. So yeah, I can just copy this link. I'll just copy right here. This is it. Copy to clipboard. Cancel this. I can just come out here, add link. I can just paste the link here, and I select add link. And then this blank quiz, I can just remove that. You see the link has showed here already. So this time I can just close that. Now I can just title the quiz on Google Classroom. So I can title this as Mike's channel. Please subscribe. Please guys, subscribe, I'm begging you. Now you can start an instruction that is optional, it's your choice. Now the total point for this quiz, I'm going with the one on the Google form that was 10 points. You can make it to be for all students or for a specific student. So right here I'm leaving it as all students. You can also add a due date, but I'm going to leave that, it's a choice. You can also grade it under a topic. I'm still going to leave that, it's your choice. Now you can send. Let's click on send. You can also schedule it, but I'm not going to schedule it, I'm going to send it. Send. So now you can see it right here, the assignment has been created. Mike Chaney, please subscribe. So I can just open this. They'll just see this right here, and once they click on that, it should take them to the question I created, where they can answer it, and immediately after answering it, they can just view the score. And that's how it works. It's really simple. So please guys, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I'll see you in my next video, and please also give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Bye.